Hello, America's Strangest History subscribers. Today is a very special day. We received our YouTube Silver Play Button Award. You want to see how it comes? Take a look at this. It gets shipped to you in a box like this. Pretty beat up. It's nothing special. I'm not going to lie to you. I ripped the label off, but it comes pretty beat up. It literally looks like somebody threw this at my doorstep. You've got, oh, very nice. Oh, okay. Now, let's see. I take this away first. I know it's not easy to see here. I'm going to try to go like this so we can see it easier. Okay, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Okay, I'm going to read you this. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Know that you many. By the way, it's not even addressed to me, so this is probably a standard form that they literally give to every single YouTuber. And since every human being on the planet has a YouTube channel, this probably isn't as special as I would like to think it is. Because like literally everyone I've ever talked to has a YouTube channel now. So this is it. This is what it looks like. There's thunder outside you can hear right now, even though the sky is pretty clear. I'm going to show you guys. Kind of scary looking, right? Kind of scary looking clouds. That was weird. Okay, so I just had to show you. So we've got our YouTube Play Button Award. It's really small. That's what she said? Bad time for a joke like that. I'm trying to open this bad boy. Let's take it out of its plastic over here. Wow. We did it! It's pretty cool. It says, presented to America's Strangest History for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you! Look how cool this is, everybody. We got a Silver Play Button Award right here. Woo! Now let's play Frisbee with it. See if we can go. Ready? No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. We're going to hang this up. I'm going to treat it with respect. I want to thank everybody for watching my show. I put everything I have into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. It seems that you do. We just got our Silver Play Button Award. Thanks a lot, everybody, and I'll catch you next time.